In this video, I'll guide you through how to add to Microsoft To Do from Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn important emails into actionable tasks so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's start in Outlook. Go ahead and open your Outlook inbox and look through your emails for something you want to follow up on or remember to act on later. This could be anything: a message from a colleague asking you to review a document, a reminder about a meeting, or an email that includes information you need for a project. When you find that email, move your mouse over it and hover over the message in the list. As you do this, you'll see a few icons appear to the right of the email subject. One of those icons is a small flag. Click that flag icon. When you click it, the email will be marked as flagged in Outlook, which is your visual cue that it needs attention later. Flagging the email is the key action that connects Outlook with Microsoft To Do. You're not creating a separate task manually. Instead, you're using the built-in connection between these two apps. The moment you click that flag, Outlook knows to treat the message as something that belongs on your task list, and Microsoft To Do will pick that up automatically. Now let's switch over to Microsoft To Do. Open the To Do app on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're signed in with the same account you use in Outlook. Once the app is open, look at the sidebar on the left. This is where all your lists are shown, like your day, important, and any custom lists you've created. In that sidebar, look for a list called Flagged Email. This list is created automatically by Microsoft To Do, and it's dedicated to all the emails you've flagged in Outlook. Click on the flagged email list to open it. Inside this list, you should now see the email you just flagged in Outlook appearing as a task. It may show the email subject as the task title, along with some basic details pulled from the message. If you don't see it right away, give it a few moments to sync or briefly switch to another list and then back to flagged email. From here, you can work with that flagged email just like any other task in Microsoft To Do. You can click on it to open more details, add a due date, set a reminder, or include additional notes about what you need to do. Even though the original action was just clicking a small flag in Outlook, you now have a clear, trackable task inside your to-do list. Using this simple workflow, you can quickly move from reading emails to organizing your day without having to copy and paste or rewrite anything. Whenever you come across an email that requires action, just hover over it in Outlook, click the flag icon, and then head to the flagged email list in Microsoft To Do to manage it as part of your daily tasks. This keeps your inbox cleaner, your priorities clearer, and your follow-ups much easier to track.